Yo, that looks like a fucking. That's not like.
Oh my god, that's a cobra.
That's not a garden snake.
That's someone's pet.
Dustin, grab it.
Dustin, can I kill it?
Oh, no, back up.
Yeah, that's a rattle.
Hey, Wood, you're okay being around this? It's right behind that Tesla tire.
Let me see it.
Where the f did it go?
Alright, chill.
Alright, jump back up.
It's in all those tires. Dustin, that's a nice snake.
It is a nice.
That's a nice snake.
Put it for sale.
Dustin, check out eBay right now how much a snake goes for. Do you see it?
Yeah, chill. It can see all of you right now.
Where the hell is
It's
it?
between right there. I see it right here.
Right here?
Next door. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I ain't touching it with a stick.
I know, but
How many times I tell you, just back up.
If it ain't
poisonous, we can just pick it up.
No, it's not rattle. It's a cobra.
No, it might be like a cottonmouth or
Yeah, cottonmouth. Yeah.
with that thing. If you get bit by that, what happens? Like your hair falls off or something?
Oh,
Do
that's
it.
actually pretty f***ing smart.
That is not gonna do anything.
Hey, I'm gonna push it your way. Would you wait for a second and let me
Talk to a snake expert here, bro.
If only you had like Pokédex, but for snakes.
Right here.
Dustin ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna grab
For a second, it looked like a hog nose with the fat neck.
Yeah, that don't work good.
All right, who wants to take a chance now?
Okay.
I think Dustin's trying to find a way to take it home.
I know, he wants to sell it.
If it's got an upturned nose, which it looked like in this picture,
Is that snake even here, like native here in Houston, Texas area? Dustin, imagine a snake's worth $2 million. That's all you need.
it's not $2 million at all.
Ready?
I guess.
Oh, I can't reach it.
All right, easy.
Got
It's
it?
on this side.
Tiny bit.
Just tiny bit.
Get it in here.
Got it?
Good job.
Make the dream work, baby.
Is it cool?
It's cool.
Oh, it's kind of cool.
I think it's an eastern hognose.
So is that neat?
Got it.
Oh yeah, it expanded itself.
Look at flatten. Like a cobra.
Oh, she's a cobra.
No, it's not. but-
We are currently in the process of building a second Startech Tesla Model 3. If you guys have followed us on our channel before, we have actually done a Startech Model 3 in the past. This one's gonna be a little bit different than the last one in the sense that this is going to have a rear spoiler. The last one didn't have that. We're in the process right now of painting the Startech pieces before we install them. We have the front bumper, the wing, and we also have the little side skirt winglets. Right now we're test fitting and looking over the paint, making sure everything looks good before we install it. As you can see, he has the OEM carbon fiber spoiler from Tesla. Instead of removing it, we're actually gonna keep it on there. Once we install it, we'll see how it looks. It should be pretty cool though. Another Startech Model 3 finished up. Everything looks good and it fits well thanks to the pieces being made out of polyurethane. It's a lot easier to work with compared to fiberglass parts. The last Startech we did opted out for the spoilers, so since this one has it, I want to make sure we highlight it for those of you who are interested. It looks pretty cool and I like the fact that you can still keep your OEM spoiler if you have one, and honestly it works well with it. It almost looks like a dual layer spoiler system, but you can always take off the OEM one for a cleaner look. This is the only spoiler I've seen that has 3 separate pieces and extends to the quarter panels. If you're interested in seeing more Model 3 body kit options, I made a video on the channel listing a bunch of different kits that you can check out. It's been a day?
Today's the day.
Oh boy.
God, he's here already.
Christmas. No, it's not Christmas. But you gotta pay for it.
You a wild man.
This was not bought this week.
You signed papers for it today, though. Sign your life away. Should've got carbon fiber.
Damn, that copper's badass, bro. Why with copper snap-on?
6 toolboxes.
Sold the kit.
A1 service.
I was looking at the.
How much is that box? Free delivery, that's all I can tell you.
Check it for dings.
So these are the mats. You have this thing, and then those are probably all.
Oh you got free cardboard?
$5 grand worth of cardboard right there.
He said this is a hat.
There's a $5,000 keychain right there.
Look at this though. The toolbox don't move.
Want me to test it out for you?
So is this everything that you hoped for?
It really is actually. See the color we're doing in the car?
Yeah, let's do it. I know that's not the color, dog. We tried this before.
He changed today.
No, we're doing that color. Let's be real. We both know what we're doing. Pull it out.
Trying to. It's been sitting down here. It has a little bit of spider webs on it. Gotta get it off, you know. Whoa, there's like green in there. Whoa, there's like a lot of green in there. They make 200.
What?
300.
The color.
That's cool.
Turn around.
Whoa.
196,000 out of 300.
The colors are much more intense.
Told you, Dustin, they're different.
I know they're different.
Look. Oh, this one looks thicker. Damn, that's probably gonna make my life a lot harder.
I think this is gonna be a crazier color than the Celestial Unicorn, honestly.
I think on the side it will be, yes.
Yeah.
You know what's crazy? I don't know if anyone else has sold as many as we have. I mean, in terms of like this crazy color. This is gonna be our, what, 5th one now? In terms of like Inozetek specialty rolls.
Dustin, would you rather have a ring or a wrap? They cost the same.
A what?
A ring or a wrap?
Or a speaker system. 6 grand.
Hold value.
Hey, stop that.
What's wrong with you?
A diamond.
You don't hold value.
Well, that may be, Sean.
We have the soon-to-be wrap car here, Tesla Model Y. Right now we got it washed. We're clay barring it, removing any decontaminants, I guess you could say. We're trying to get as much as we can off of that before we get started.
What are you doing?
As far as I know, this is the first Tesla Model Y in Texas and maybe in the US wrapped in Inozetek's anti-social social club spectrum. Color pretty much speaks for itself. I can only say that it's actually a little bit more wild in person than on camera. Video doesn't do it justice. There's a lot of depth to the color, which is really unique because that's usually a trait only seen in paint and not wraps. Like usual, panels and trim pieces came off to give this the cleanest installation we could. Seams are far and few if any, and I love how you can see all the colors all at once without having to shift or move around the car. It just kind of hits you all at once. I can safely say this is the most radical color we've ever done, even topping maybe Celestial Unicorn, which I have to show you here side by side, so you can be the judge of that yourself. And for a little special treat, here is extremely rare R34 Nissan GTR in factory midnight purple, and that color is actually paint from Nissan. Thought it'd be cool to show you 3 different color shifting cars and just how Inozetek's color quality compares to paint. Really cool to be part of this project and putting out the craziest looking Model Y in Houston.
when she said she wanted to wrap, this is the first place and the only place that came to mind.
This is one of one in Houston for sure.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Man, this is beautiful.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. I hope you liked that wrap project. It is the coolest, most radical color we've ever done so far. If you want to wrap your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
It's really, really nice color. I think I agree with Dustin. I think the green on this one really, just the extra thing this color needed was that green. It looks, you can like, can the camera pick it up?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, see it.
Only roll, guys. No more. Sorry.
That's it.
If you want this color, you were too late.